Hey everybody, I think this might be the last one on this little series about healing after a toxic relationship or after a breakup, okay? All right, so I think this is the last thing that you should do is don't go get up under somebody else, but get out, go do something. Get with some loving friends. Go enjoy yourself. You know, go be with some friends and do something fun. If you like comedy shows, go to a comedy show. If you like going to the park, go to the park. If you like going for long drives, go for a long drive. If you like dancing, go dancing. If you like go-go music, go to the go-go. If you like salsa, go do some salsa dancing and get your whatever they call it on. If you like working out, go work out. If you like swimming, go swimming. If you like tennis, go play some tennis. Go do something you like and you love doing. Go do things that lift and raise your vibration. Sometimes, I know back in the day when I would be feeling a little rough after a breakup, I would sing. I would just belt out and sing songs. Now, I will probably do this earlier on before I'm to this process, this part. But Yolanda Adams had some nice songs, like Through the Storm. When it would first be over, I'd be like, Lord, I just want to say I love you. Okay, so I would just be belting out some Yolanda Adams. Okay, I'd sing the whole album, okay? And then some Bob Marley. I'd sing everything. I'd be Bob Marley'd up all day long, okay? But then I might sing when I'm at this phase, you know, I might do music, because music, I love music, you know what I'm saying? I love music, I love dancing. So at this phase, I might be doing some upbeat music. And I mean, I might be doing some shade of music too. Like there was this one song by Dupa Lita, some shit. I don't know. But she sang this one, I can't even remember the name of the song, but that song was my anthem for a second after one breakup. Cause it was, I forget the words. Lima, I don't know. But anyway, like you might have an anthem song that empowers you afterwards, you know, or like Beyonce's song, You Can't Break My Soul or whatever. Man, that's an empowering song. If you just had a breakup, man, you could get into that song, get into the beat and just be, you know, rev yourself up. So if there's some music like that you like, go on and rev yourself up. I like mantras and things like that. I might be singing some mantras. I love the album Pilgrim Heart by Krishna Das. And man, when I would after a breakup or whatever, I'd be singing me some Krishna Das, and I would be doing the mantras with Krishna Das. And so that Pilgrim Heart song, man, I would go into a meditative state and I would just be healing myself while, you know, that would be me. And I'd be sitting down. Sometimes I'll stand up and I would just dance to the music or whatever. Even his concerts, I would go to his concerts. I would go to Deborah Pramal's concerts and just love on me. And I would go by myself, right? Because my friends, you know, I was probably the only one into that at that time. And so I'd be going to the concert all by myself and I ain't care. I'll be enjoying myself, okay? So, do something that you love. Do something that makes you feel good. Do things that bring your spirit up. Tell your friends, if y'all going somewhere, can you invite me? Just get me out the damn house. Invite me, please, because I don't care what y'all doing. I just want to get out this daggone house so that you're having less time with your idle mind. Okay? All right. And then, let's see. I would probably not be calling the person and, you know, screw all that. You know what I'm saying? Let that person go. Go through your morning, go through all of what you need to go through, and then, you know, get to the other side of it. And I would probably disconnect from the person. I wouldn't be engaging in conversation and stuff like that, because then it makes it hard to release and heal from the person. You know what I mean? So that probably was a whole nother subject right there, but I ain't gonna do it. I hope all of this helped you guys. Source Creator asked me, so I said, what y'all want me to talk about now? I only did 2 videos today. And she said, and you know I call Source Creator a she, even though Source Creator has no gender, okay? But, and I'm not talking about Mother God and Father God. I'm talking about Source Creator. Okay. But anyway, so she said healing from toxic relationships. I said, okay. So there you go. I hope y'all had a great day. You know, I have fun talking with y'all. I should go live one day soon. And when I do, I will announce it. Maybe we'll do some free readings or something. Anyway, talk to y'all later. Ashe.